Today we have a video from Bodycam Network USA, and the title of the video is Drunk Couple Arrested After They Wouldn't Stop Interfering with Police.
On September 7th, 2025, officers with the Orlando Police Department were on patrol when they noticed a man drinking what looked like an alcoholic beverage that he was attempting to conceal with a brown paper bag.
What that was here? 124 West Pine. Yeah. 124 West Pine at 711.
They're arresting them for open container?
You got ID on you, boss?
Isn't that normally a ticket?
Where's your ID? Huh? Where?
Public intoxication?
They're not gonna clear him. Have a seat.
Yeah, he's drunk.
Sit down. We'll run him real quick. Sit down. Sit down. Where's your ID? Where's your ID? Sit down. Where's your ID at? You can go to jail. Where's your ID at? The wallet right there? Yeah. Grab it, grab it,
She didn't even do anything.
What he did?
That's my cousin.
Y'all need to shut up. Y'all need to know what y'all talking about.
He would never do nothing like that. I'm telling you.
Is that a he or she?
What he did?
It's okay.
What you did, fam?
You know that?
Why can't... Why stop? Why? Like, why? Why put yourself... Why involve yourself? You see everybody else, they just looking... Keep it moving, man. Looking, keep it moving. Watch. I'm gonna run it back a little bit. You see everybody walking past, but no. You guys want to be the star of the show. Why stop? Some officers is not in a joking mood. Some guys will, play into it, hee ha ha. But keep it moving, man. You doing this for no reason. Look.
Go to jail. What's your idea? The wallet right there? Yeah.
Everybody just walking, minding their business, having a good night. They thinking to themselves, damn, he fucked up. Just keep it moving, no problem.
She didn't even do anything. What he did?
And this jackass.
That's my cousin.
Y'all need to shut up. Y'all need to know what y'all talking about.
He would never do nothing like that. I'm telling you.
Is that a he or she?
What he did?
It's okay.
What you did, fam?
You know that? So many criminals on the street, though.
Hey, what's your bond then, bro?
If you guys don't start walking, you guys gonna start being handcuffs. If you guys don't start walking, you guys gonna start being in handcuffs too. 25 feet. Let's go.
No, that's my
Let's go.
cousin.
I don't give a shit who it is. Go.
We're gonna be in handcuffs.
Yeah.
That'll make sense.
That's your first warning. 25 feet. Get back behind that red car. You're going to jail.
That's not even real.
Okay. You want to go to jail?
Yeah, I wish.
Okay. Go.
Or what?
Go.
What stop?
Go, dude. Go. Back up, dude. Back up. Okay. Okay.
Act tough.
Get on the ground.
Y'all did all that.
Back up too. Or you going to jail? Okay. Okay.
Unbelievable.
Back up too. Or you going to jail?
Oh, she touched the officer.
Y'all doing all that? Chill. I ain't on that, bro. Chill. Bro, chill.
You two go to jail. Get on your stomach, dude. Get on your stomach, dude.
a real charge.
Back up. Back up. Behind that red car. You guys are going to jail too. Behind the...
What is this Florida, right? They got that 25 feet thing. Yo, I like that rule, man. Yo, we need that. That 25 feet joint, that new rule, that, yo, Florida, yo, I see why motherfuckers be moving to Florida. Florida, yo, the way that DeSantis and all, the way they got they shit ran, boy, it's top notch. I think he just passed some thing. People with grape cases, of like minor or something like that, get the death penalty or something crazy. I just seen like last week, like, yo, Florida is on point. I ain't gonna lie.
red car now.
And we cool, fam. And we cool.
Behind the red car.
We cool, fam. We cool, fam.
Behind the red car.
We cool, fam.
Relax, stay here.
We're good now. You can cancel a 44. Delta 37. We got enough. You can cancel a 44. Thank you.
Y'all can't even take us to jail. What did we do?
Hey, look.
No, what did we do?
So what? He's 21 over age. Your point?
Like, what did we do? Like, what the...
You never heard of the hate law, dude?
Like, what did we do?
I told you, back up. You didn't back up.
That's not a charge.
That is a charge, stupid.
How? How is that a charge? What? You being extra aggressive. Like, what the fuck?
Chill. Move, dummy. Move.
Man, you a... On my mama, you a... You was a... You was
Stand
a...
up. Stand up.
Relax. Let me get up. Relax. No, let me talk to you.
Stand up.
Let me talk to you.
Right there.
Man, why is he being so aggressive?
Yeah, Halo law. That's what they called it. Yeah.
Just follow our instructions, okay?
Man, why is he being so aggressive, dog?
Because we have to search you. You are under
I
arrest.
don't have... Look for what?
Can you grab the 91 right there, that B-box? That was in his pocket.
Look at my guy right here. My guy chilling. He like, damn. Look at my guy right here, man. He the original one, you know, a little open container. He a little drunk, you know what I mean? But he like, damn, these guys are fucking stupid. That's what he probably thinking right now.
In his pocket.
For what? For what? For what?
Good. Yeah, let me get this off.
But I'm asking y'all, what are we on there? What's my
I already told you, dude. You didn't listen.
What's my charge?
It's okay.
It's called what?
Hate the law and...
All right, we're letting it go. Let it go. We're done. Just trying to let it go. Let it go. No.
You can say that all you want, but you're going to jail.
Let it go. Let it go.
This one, yeah.
Dumb, fam.
You don't want handcuffs, dude.
Man, you's a...
Okay.
Stop talking to me.
You're going to keep talking. Guys,
you.
Dude, relax.
Look, you see how you doing?
I got it. Gus, open the door.
No, let it go.
Yeah, these are the
Let it go. Let it go.
Talking to y'all?
No, just trying to let it go.
You're impeding with investigation.
Let it go. Just trying to let it go. Put us in the car. Come on.
Carry a big ass bag with nothing in it.
Can we get a female to search here?
Yeah, please. ASAP. Blow my mama. Please. Blow it. Call my mama right now. Deshaun, calm down.
Open the door. You was fuck you. Freedom of speech.
Check me right now.
We stopped.
Man, let my guy go, man.
Blow my breath. Come on.
Let my guy on the ground go. Let my guy go, man. Let him go. He just a little drunk.
Oh, the dude. Okay. So we deal with him.
No, that B-box is here.
The big box is, yeah. Just put it in your car, put it in your car.
Because they're related.
Yeah. It's all the same incident, yeah.
The boyfriend girlfriend.
This is hers. No, I'm good. I'm free. That's garbage. Hey, no, the big box is good. The other one's garbage.
I'll take it. I'll meet you at the office.
Okay.
That's what it's saying. Good job.
Their family, they want a phone number to call for mom or some shit like that.
They're lucky I didn't take him too. So
they want to know what they're being charged with.
They can figure it out later.
They were both then transported to the Orange County Jail, where the woman was booked and charged with battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting officers without violence, and interference with law enforcement. The man was charged with resisting officers without violence and interference with law enforcement. If you enjoy the content we produce,
man, free the drunk guy, man. Yeah, let my guy go. We got these two knuckleheads, man. Let the other guy go, man. Let him go. Yo, mind your business. You want to be the star of the show so bad. Everybody else is enjoying their night. Okay, you see a guy get locked. Why do you feel like you have to be there and say something and start filming and this and that? Why? Mind your business. Go about your evening. This is a guy you don't even know this guy. He ha ha, everything's a joke. He didn't even do that's my cousin. The joke's on you now. Halo law, man. Damn, we need that shit, boy. That shit is so fire, boy. Oh, yeah. See, Florida, they be getting they shit together. I ain't gonna lie, man. I ain't gonna lie.